Introduction to free mobile app development resources.
Learning mobile app development can open doors to exciting tech careers. Fortunately, you don't need a big budget to get started. There are many high-quality, free online resources, courses, tutorials, and communities that can help you build your skills. Let's explore some of the best options available for beginners and aspiring app developers.
Online course platforms for learning mobile apps.
Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer free introductory courses on Android and iOS development. Check out Developing Android Apps with Kotlin on Udacity or build your first iOS app from Apple's official free resources. Many universities also post full-length lectures on YouTube, perfect for learning at your own pace.
Popular YouTube channels and tutorial sites.
YouTube is packed with valuable content. Channels like Code with Chris guide you through iOS development, while the Net Ninja and Traversy Media cover both Android and cross-platform tools like Flutter and React Native. Written tutorials from sites like FreeCodeCamp and raywenderlich.com can supplement your learning with step-by-step guides.
Documentation and official guides.
Don't overlook official documentation. Android developers can find free detailed guides and sample code on developer.android.com. Apple's developer site offers comprehensive resources for Swift and iOS development. Flutter, React Native, and Xamarin all maintain excellent documentation for cross-platform app creation, perfect for self-guided learners.
Communities and support forums.
Join communities to accelerate your learning. Stack Overflow, Reddit's r/learn programming, and Discord servers for developers provide quick answers to common questions. Platforms like GitHub allow you to explore real app projects, while local meetups and virtual hackathons foster collaboration and support among beginners and professionals alike.
Tips for making the most of free resources.
Stay organized and practice by building projects as you learn. Use a mix of video tutorials, documentation, and community discussions to reinforce your understanding. Don't hesitate to ask questions and share your code for feedback. With consistent effort and the right resources, you'll be ready to start building your own mobile apps.